Robbie, you're 18 months old today. What does the duck say? What does kitty say?
Yeah.
How about monkey? What does monkey say? Uh-huh. How about truck? What does truck say? And dinosaur? What does dinosaur say? Do you remember what dinosaur says? That's right. What's your favorite number? 8. Where is your favorite number?
8.
That's right. Very good. How about your favorite letter? R. How about your favorite letter R?
Ah.
Mm-hmm. Very good.